YouTube? It's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is all about my Ipsy Glam Plus Bag. So if you want to see what I got for my Ipsy Glam Plus Bag for the month of June, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So yes, I'm super excited to be doing this video because I just received my Ipsy Glam Plus Bag for the month of June. So I'm super excited. It's super late, but I'm excited to see what is in there. So if you do not know what the Ipsy Glam Plus Bag is, so the Ipsy Glam Plus Bag is a monthly subscription. You pay $25 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. Yes. So I am enjoying this box. I did used to get the Ipsy Original Glam Bag, and that is $12 a month, and you get sample deluxe size products, so travel size products, but this one you get full size products, and I really do like the products that I get in this box, so I'm really excited. But if this is your first time here, my name is Chantelly Lace. Welcome. If you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned and staying true. But yes, I do living videos, so basically makeup videos, hauls, stuff on my business, because I do have my own business, Flirty Girl Lashes. If you have not checked me out, go on and check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Flirty Girl Lashes, and you can also check out my website at flirtygirllashes.com, so that way you can pick you up some bonfire mink lashes for the low. Okay, but let's go on and get into this video. So if you like those types of videos, go on and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So now that we got that out the way, let's go on and get started. So I brought my handy dandy knife so we can cut open the box. Ooh, don't want to cut myself, right? So let me set the box down. There we go. And we're going to open it. Ooh, here we go. And it says Discover Yourself. And it has the orange foam covering the products. So lifting up the foam, I have the stock card. And to this month's theme is Make Waves. So here we go. Make waves, because it's the summertime. So it says summer is more than a season, it's a state of mind. You deserve to rock the neon liner, swipe the bright gloss, and go full on bold for you. Break your beauty rut and create a splash. So that's cute. So let's see what's in here. So first up, this is by, it says the GoodnDoc AC Control Blemish Spot Treatment. Ooh, that is nice, because I've been having breakouts lately and I do not understand why. So this is really nice to get. It says this highly concentrated spot treatment helps control trouble areas. It soothes and repairs damaged and compromised skin that suffers from breakouts, age spots, or environmental damage with a cream-like texture. This texture is ideal for those with acne-prone skin. It says apply a thick layer to desired target problem areas. So, I'm excited to try this out and see how it works. It's 30 milliliters. It's 1 ounce. Because, honey, I've been having breakouts and they're clearing up, but we want to make sure that they stay gone, okay? But, yes, I am going to be trying this and seeing how it works. And I will give you guys an update because, yes, I need some work. So next up, this is by Arceli, if I'm saying that correctly. And this looks like it's an eye pencil. Yep. It says a liquid eyeliner in night. And we do like liquid eyeliners. I've been using them a lot lately. So let's see. Ooh, yeah, she is nice, thick, and she swiped really, really nicely. So I'm going to be using this. I'm excited about that because I do like liquid eyeliners. I used to use gel eyeliners, and I got a lot of liquids in my boxes, so I tried it out, and I love it. Alright, so the next product, this is by Dr. Brandt, and I actually love this brand. This is Skin Changing Science. It says Pores No More. Luminizing Primer gives a natural looking backlight glow, revives dull complexion, helps refine the look of pores. So I am definitely going to be trying this primer out because I love the Dr. Brandt brand. I really do. And who doesn't love a primer that is going to illuminate and minimize pores? Ooh, I love the packaging of the bottle. Super, super pretty. Let's see. Let's give it a little squeeze. Okay, so this primer looks a little different. It looks more like concealer. So if you see that, it has like a tinted color to it. Like maybe some BB cream or a really, really light concealer. It's not clear or white like most primers are. Well, I guess it reminds me of the e.l.f. Putty and Tatcha because they're not white neither. But yeah, that did rub into my skin really nicely. Do we see any difference from where I rubbed it? It looks good. I'm going to try this out definitely tomorrow, okay? And see how it does on my face. But I really, really do like the packaging. And it does have some reflecting going on. I don't know if I had glitter on my hands earlier, but I see some reflecting. I don't know if it will pick up on camera or not because I had to look really, really close. But we'll see. All right, and next up, this is by Purlisse. It's the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. It says gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones, and soothes. Soap and sulfate free for all skin types. And you can never go wrong with the cleanser. And look at the size of this. It is full size. I love getting full size cleansers. So it says the benefits of the Blue Lotus is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. White tea helps rejuvenate the skin. Soy milk is rich in amino acids and maintains skin elasticity. And whole oat calms and soothes sensitive skin. So yes, this is cute. Look at this package. Oh my gosh, I am like this blue. I'm into the blue right now. So yes, here goes the packaging. Super cute. And I am into cleansers right now. I'm not going to open this. It does have the silver, foil on it on the inside. But I'm using a different cleanser. It's by Purlisse, but it is like a charcoal cleanser that I got in my Skin Star box. So I will be using this once I run out of that one, but I love getting full-size cleansers because, boo, we got to keep our face clean, and this box was only $25, okay? And we know cleansers are expensive. All right, last but not least, we have, this is by Ciate London. It's the Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow. Ooh. So let's see. And I think this is in Wicked. Yes, that's what it says on the side of the box. Is Wicked. Ooh, this is a different shade. Let me open it up so you guys can see. It's like a purpley green. That's really pretty. Very, very pretty. Purpley green. It looks crazy in there, but it's pretty. I'm going to use my finger, and I'm glad one of my nails broke off so I can dig in this pot, y'all. Because my nails be long. Ooh, look at that. You see that? That is pretty. I like it. I don't even know if it's coming off silver maybe with specks of blue and purple in it. I'm not entirely too sure. But that is pretty. I'm definitely going to try that out. Super cute. Yeah, from in the camera, in my little, you know, in my display thing, it looks silver to me. I'll see in the playback what it looks like on camera. But in person, it is like a teal, like a silvery teal with sparkles of purple in it. It is very pretty. So it was different. I didn't think I would like this color when you look at it in the pot. To me personally, if I was going in the store, I wouldn't pick this up. But I am glad I got it because now it's going to make me want to swatch stuff even more if we ever get to, you know, go to the makeup store and swatch stuff. But yes, super cute. And last but not least is my little bag for this month. And it's a cute bag. I mean, it's not super ugly, but it's not me. I wouldn't use it. Being personal, I wouldn't use this bag. It's not super ugly. I like the theme because it has many different women on here, different shapes, different colors, and so forth. So I do like that. But other than that, I mean, I wouldn't use this bag. I mean, I love the yellow. I love the green and the people on it. It's just not me personally. You know what I'm saying? So, yes. So I am very pleased with my Ipsy Glam Plus box. I'll have all the prices linked down below on how much everything costs. But yes, this was a very surprise, and I'm going to try this out because I do have an outfit that will match this. And then the primer, gonna try this and see how it works. And I like this brand, especially for skincare, so I think I'm gonna love the primer, but we don't know until I try it out. And then you can't go wrong with a liquid eyeliner, and you can't go wrong with a facial cleanser for all skin types, okay? And it's full size. And definitely, they must have been reading my mind because I've been just stressing over my face after all these breakouts because I broke out really bad and I'm trying to get it just together under control. It's somewhat there, and then I started to notice like little breakouts like on my chin over here. So now I'm just trying to get it together. So I'm definitely going to be using this, and I'm starting tonight, okay? But yes, I'm very pleased with my Ipsy Glam Plus box. I always seem to like the items that I get out of this box, and I will get a lot of full-size cleansers. So just FYI, if you're into skincare and cleansers and stuff and stocking up, this will be a good box to invest in. So yes, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.